Said that a believer who dies, will he go straight to paradise or it will happen after the day of judgment?
You see, after the day of judgment, there will be a great rise of all the people. But when a Muslim dies, his soul is passes through a period when a sort of wind of Jannah is blowing towards the Muslim, the believer, the one who has been pardoned by Allah, whatever he is. So those who are bound for Jannah, they will be receiving that wind of Jannah. This is again a metaphor. If you open the graves, there is no window opening from one side from which the wind of Jannah or Jahannam is blowing. You should understand these metaphorical expressions. It only means that the spirit will be elated and it will feel as though it has been pardoned. It will feel as if Allah is spreading His rahmah over, sending His rahmah to the deceased person. So this will take some time. After that, the person will go into a deep sleep again. Otherwise, there is no question of revival again. So this is called Alam-e-Barzakh. In between his death time and his revival again, there will elapse a very long time. Maybe 1 billion years, Allah knows better. But a very long time will elapse. And then they will open up their eyes again. So the Quran Kareem has given many indications of the remoteness of time. For example, people will be talking on the day of resurrection that how long did you tarry on earth? So they will say maybe a day or a part thereof. So the rejoinder to them indicates that it's even less. So when you see something from far off, you always see it as small. Huge stars are shown as very small twinkling things because of distance. The same happens with time. When you look back at your age of childhood, it becomes very remote and removed from you. You don't remember everything of the childhood because it's long ago things happened, so you only remember a few things of importance. So it's a small example, but on the day of judgment, because of the remoteness of time, people will think that we have tarried on earth only for a second or two, only an hour or maybe that much. So inshallah, then they will understand that the real life which is lasting is not the one of the world. This life is that which is to come. Great poets have mentioned all this. They say that it's a strange thing that at the time of death we realized that all that was past is finished, nothing. Only the future remains for us. So this is the meaning of the question you have asked, this answer. Is it all right? You think I have answered you well? Good.